Bacolod Chicken Inasal. Iconic chicken of the MassKara Festival of the Philippines.
Bacolod Chicken Inasal, a legendary grilled dish from Bacolod City, celebrated every year during the vibrant MassKara and Inasal festivals. Let's begin by preparing the lemongrass. Place 3 fresh stalks on a cutting board. Gently bruise them with the flat side of your knife to release their fragrant natural oils. Peel 1 whole bulb of fresh garlic and finely mince the cloves. Freshly chopped garlic adds rich aroma and deep flavor to the chicken inasal marinade. Add the short pieces of bruised lemongrass and the freshly minced garlic into a large mixing bowl. Then squeeze 1/4 cup of fresh calamansi juice through a fine strainer. Now grate 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger directly into the bowl. Gently stir everything together, allowing the fresh blend with the lemongrass, garlic, and calamansi to create a fragrant and flavorful marinade. With the fresh ingredients already in the bowl, slowly pour in 1/2 cup of native coconut vinegar. The vinegar adds a bright, tangy flavor that is essential to the authentic chicken inasal marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. Whisk everything together until the seasonings are fully dissolved, creating a smooth inasal marinade. Now place 4 fresh chicken leg quarters into the prepared marinade. Make sure each piece is fully surrounded by the flavorful mixture so every bite will absorb the authentic chicken inasal taste. Massage the marinade thoroughly into every piece. Turn each one to ensure an even coating. Cover tightly and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. This allows it to soak up all the rich flavors. While the chicken marinates, place a small saucepan over medium heat and pour in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Allow the oil to warm gently before adding the next ingredient. Now add 2 tablespoons of annatto seeds to the warm oil. Let them gently infuse as they release their natural color, basting oil that gives chicken inasal its signature look and flavor. Turn off the heat and carefully strain the annatto oil into a clean bowl. Let only the clear orange-red oil pass through, leaving all the seeds behind. Now add a small spoonful of garlic butter to the warm annatto oil. Stir gently until the butter melts completely, creating a rich, glossy basting oil. After marinating for at least 3 hours, remove the chicken from the refrigerator. Uncover the bowl and check that every piece is evenly coated in the flavorful marinade. Heat the grill pan until it's hot. Using tongs, place each chicken leg quarter skin side down onto the grill. Let the chicken sizzle as it begins to develop its signature smoky flavor and beautiful grill marks. Brush the chicken generously with the warm annatto garlic butter, beautiful golden grill marks. Continue basting while grilling to keep the chicken juicy, flavorful, and perfectly caramelized. Carefully remove the grilled chicken inasal from the pan and place it onto a serving plate. Add a generous serving of hot garlic rice alongside the chicken for a classic Filipino meal. Drizzle a little annatto oil over the garlic rice, then finish with a fresh squeeze of calamansi over the chicken. Serve hot and enjoy the authentic flavors of Bacolod Chicken Inasal. Kain tayo! Please subscribe, like, and share our channel. Subscribe for more world-famous recipes and delicious cooking videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next recipe.